Hello everyone, welcome to Decoding Code. So today in this video we are going to learn how to purchase a domain and a hosting. So before jumping into video, it is very important to know what is a domain and hosting. So a domain is a name or it is an identification string. So it is an address of your website that people type in browser URL bar to visit your website. So in simple terms, if website is your host, then domain is your address. So what is hosting? So when a hosting provider allocates some space on web server for a website to store its files and etc. things, so it is called a hosting. So web hosting is an online service that enables you to publish your website on the internet. So there are multiple kinds of hosting providers. So there is GoDaddy, Hostinger, Bluehost, A to Z hosting, DreamHost, etc. So today to purchase this domain and hosting, we are going to go with Hostinger. So let's jump into the video. Hello everyone. So welcome to this video. This thing what we can see on the screen is Hostinger website. So you can just go on the URL bar and type hostinger.in and enter. So you'll get this website. So basically here what we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to see if we do have the domain available, the domain which we want. So let's go to domain. When we click on domain, there are three things: domain checker, whois database, and domain transfer. So domain transfer is basically used when you need to transfer the domain from other service provider to Hostinger. Whois database will probably give you the details of the uh, owner of the domain, and domain checker, of course, we can check if our domain is available here or not. So for example, if we want to see Digitech, and I can just select what the extension I want. So let's go with .com and search, and it shows this domain is taken. Also, it will give you more ideas and the available options. See, the more options. If this is not available, you can purchase these three of the domains, and probably these are the available domains with Hostinger or worldwide. So today I want to purchase a domain and its name is Decoding Code. Decoding Code. And I want the extension to be .tech. And let's search this. I hope the domain is available, and yes, it is available. It shows me that I can save 93%. So it was basically for rupees 1089 and I'm getting it for 75 rupees per year. So I'll just go and add this to cart. It is also giving me more options if I want to explore, and it is also giving me alternative titles if I want to explore. But yes, I am good to go with decodingcode.tech, and it is also saying that domain decoding tech plus web hosting, you can save 60%. So I'll go and select the hosting plan. So hosting, as we discussed, basically is a place on a server where you host your website and all the related files to it. So these are the three plans: the single web hosting, premium web hosting, and business web hosting. Of course, it depends how big our business is and what we need to show, or what are our requirements. So my requirements at the moment is single web hosting, and it is like rupees 79 rupees per month again. And of course, it has some of the other drawbacks. Let's check out what it is. But then I want to see all the features that are included in single web hosting. So it is giving me one website, 30 GB SSD storage, approximately 10,000 visits monthly, one email account. That is more than enough for me. It is giving me free SSL, very good thing for the security. I don't have the free domain, but otherwise we are purchasing the domain there, right? So it is not coming free. We have to pay for it. It is giving us 100 GB of bandwidth, manage WordPress which is the best option. We can get our website live within few minutes, then it is giving us 30 days money back guarantee if we didn't like or if the services are not good. It is giving us 2 databases. It has the get access. Wow. And other few more things. The more important thing what I feel is 24 into 7 by 365 days support is a very good thing they are offering. 99.9% uptime, and it is guaranteeing it. Wow. Then we have the DNS management access manager. We can create up to 2 subdomains, and that is fine. One FTP account and 2 cron jobs. So I'll just go and click on add to cart. It is loading. So basically, even if you want to start your business, or you are a startup, or you want to go with blogging, the basic plan is really very much, fine to start with. So yes. So while talking about the hosting plans, it is giving me for rupees 199 for 1 month, and for rupees 139 per month for, like, if I take it for 12 months, rupees 119 per month if I take it for 24 months, and yes, 79 rupees per month if I take it for 48 months. So probably I would like to go with 12 months plan, which is 139 rupees per month, and then it gives here plan renews, plan renewal date, and again the renewal charges, like how much it will we have to pay when it renews. And there are few more things here if you want to just check it out. So now my order summary says I have a domain registration decodingcode.tech, and it costs me rupees 75. Single hosting, web hosting, it gives me SSL certificate activation and Cloudflare protection, which is charging me rupees 0, and for web hosting it is giving me 1668. While I have to pay some taxes, and that is 328 rupees, and total taxes like total amount for my card is 2071 rupees. So I just need to check out here. Once I check out, it is giving me this details like login and sign up. I just need to go login, put my account details, and yes, the domain and hosting purchase will be done. So now, as we can see, I have logged into my Hostinger account. So it is giving me a payment method to choose. So I can do UPI, I can do Paytm, I can use my cards, net banking, PayPal, Bitcoins or other coins options, and GPay or Hostinger balance. So probably I would like to go with cards. Let's check if this works. So I'm keeping my card ready to make a purchase, and okay, so it is 2000, and I need to put the details. Let's fill up this details for the checkout. So I want to write it, okay, and my card number is okay. So yes, we have added everything here. Let's click on pay now. Let's click on pay now. So whichever your number which is registered with the card, you will receive an OTP on the mobile number. So I'll click on go to payments. Here it is processing. Sorry for the update. Yeah, so I have received an OTP, and I'll just click on submit. Let's wait, and it will redirect us to the payments, and yes. So your purchase is done. I would recommend 100%. Fab. And submit, give the feedback. Okay. So as soon as we do the payment, we are directly logged into our Hostinger account, where we can just set up our website and we can do whatever we want here, and we can choose a domain and do all this stuff. So to see how to set up a domain and make a website, do blogging, or do all the required things for your business, please stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and stay tuned. Bye bye.